All right. There's Noah looking like an absolute bodacious lunch lady. He's crossing the street to this building where he's going to go try to get his license back, which got taken away from the little guy.
Maybe he can keep it this time.
Hopefully.
This is strike 2.
This is the second time he's lost it.
Man, we got it.
Yeah,
There's so dust in the picture.
This is my guy Noah. He's cracked at losing his license and getting it back.
Times the charm.
Noah can finally drive again.
Get the full February 13th, 2023.
Oh my god.
What?
2023.
She's like, oh, like we don't count them as like 31-day increments, so you save 2 weeks. I'm like, oh, okay, sick. I get it 2 weeks earlier in 2 years. We were too busy fucking around.
Yeah, so this is my guy Noah. He's cracked.
Cracked at losing the license and getting it back. Look at this. Victoria, BC. Finally some suns.
Alright, the fuck on, eh? Oh, smell that. Stinky clutch.
Ask used to work in here with visitor info.
Didn't you want to become like a whale guy?
A whale watching guy?
Yeah. Did he? He wanted to do
yeah.
tours, didn't he, for a little bit?
Yeah. Look at this. This is the shithole we live in.
There's the inner harbor.
The Empress.
That's a rare building, man.
That's a rare building. Yeah, here's the legislature where they
make rules.
They do shit. And then here's the Royal BC Museum.
You can watch pretty cool movies in there on the big screen.
They got the IMAX. Look at this guy.
Show them the exhibition for orcas, man.
Look at this. Listen to this thing.
You can watch Turtle Odyssey at the IMAX with lasers. Orcas, our shared future. April 16th, 2020. We should go see that, man.
We actually should. I'm down to rip an IMAX. They got some good popcorn in there.
Show them that statue, man. I want to show them that one.
You guys sitting there?
Who's that guy? That's a woman. That's that artist, man. She's famous for something.
And like her?
That's the typical kind of guy you see in Victoria.
Yeah.
Wearing all kinds of hippie shit. Oh my god! Our next big historical attraction. It's a statue of Terry Fox.
Oh yeah, no, this is where he started his run across Canada for cancer.
If you live in Canada, in elementary school, you had to do something called the Terry Fox Run.
Terry, our man's Terry, ran across Canada with cancer, saving money for cancer. This is where he started.
He had one leg.
Yeah, because he lost it to cancer. That's a statue there. This is where he dipped his foot in and was going to go across Canada.
Kobe almost got in an accident right now.
A little bit of Canadian history there for you.
Oh, getting learned. Back at the stew, dude.
Back at the stew.
Coops, dude.
We're about to cruise the coobs.
Those fire rear mounts, filaments, dude. Half the thing, Kev says. Or a full one. Just up to us.
Oh. I just went wide angle. Non-wide angle.
Let's see.
Man, keep it wide.
Yeah, keep her wide. Make it look bigger.
I'm brothing it. Let's do a whole one.
This wide angle is next level. We should
Switch
film all
to
our
the other
videos like
camera,
this.
dude.
Switch to unwide. Wow. Honestly, I think the iPhone might be better quality than this
Probably
$1,700 camera setup.
more than that. Alright, we're pretty much all ready to go. Adam's hooking up. I'm gonna start it up, let it warm up, see if it holds temp. See if it even starts. And we'll go from there. Everything should be tight. I think it was leaking power steering fluid the other night. Let's see.
Alright, let's see if it moves.
temp too, because I think it just hit 180.
Oh, never mind. I think it's fine.
Aren't you staying in? No, I want to hear it from the outside. Just do what I did. Needs to be fucked with quite a bit. The clutch is at the very top, and also what else? It's the idle dips down when you come to a stop, so I don't know, the usual 240 shit with every single engine. So yeah, we're gonna go get some gas. Power steering leak through there. Yeah, we're gonna get some gas, might adjust the clutch pedal, see if it helps anything, and it looks like it's holding temp, so we don't have to bleed it again. So 69th time is the charm, I guess. Yeah, fuck, it looks sick. I've never seen someone drive my car from the outside. Fuck, man. People no respect in the studio.
Yeah, like, shut the fuck up.
I was on this side of the road, was I not?
We'll track him down and kill him.
We're gonna go get some gas.
Premium.
Not in budget, not in budget. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I am driving my car! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so windy! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's loud! Oh my god! Oh my god, can't see! Oh my god! What if the windows just worked? Oh, haha!
Maybe mine does.
Holy fuck, the bus is gonna kill us.
Oh,
Man.
mine works.
Are you capping me, man?
Oh.
Well, it's this whole switch that's fucked then, because I can't do your window down if I wanted to. Oh, I can.
Oh, what's going on?
You know what maybe it is? There's like that fucking circuit board that maybe we fucking like cracked a solder point.
Maybe.
You just heat up a spoon like a meth addict and then try and like get the solder to melt back.
I believe that's a heroin addict, but yeah.
Yeah, what did I say? Meth?
Meth, yeah.
So I don't know my drugs, bro.
Yeah, never mind. Me either.
Oh.
165. $1.65 per liter.
That's like for more flow.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Let me take a gander at this.
Fucking hat on.
Ugly.
Huh?
Why is it actually hailing?
I know.
Oh my god. I'm still wearing the hat, eh?
Huh? Yeah, I know. It's gonna fill up with hail.
Hailing, man. Look at the roof.
It's really coming down. Oh, golf balls.
Weather, man.
Look at that.
Those are the few stars, man.
Oh, why is it actually going down? Man, the door's open. Oh, dude, the hail's coming in the window.
Oh.
Mono wiper gang.
Yeah, I'm going up this way.
Get some boost for Chase.
Man, I'm gonna fully.
Man, we should only film on iPhones. It's so much more unreal.
It's like more incognito.
And it like looks better. Especially with the wide angles.
Why are you hailing? Stop the dualies, man.
Get your dualies soon.
Look at this weather,
Get
man.
your bubble shift knob too. I don't remember what is blue skies.
You know what, man? Mother Nature really fucked us, eh?
Mother Nature's always fucking us.
That was a dent right there.
That threw me back, dude. My neck.
Oh my god. Pump pedal absolutely fucked, man. This thing is not enjoyable to drive like that. Okay, well, sorry if a lot of these clips were out of focus. We didn't realize. But there it is. Got my license back today. We went for a drive. It runs good. Got to figure out that idle. Got to figure out how to adjust the clutch pedal with no jam nut. We're too lazy to pick up the camera. I don't even know where it went. It's down there. I'm too lazy to set it up.
You're on the iPhones.
We got some GoPro footage. Yeah. Don't get all fired up. There's no skids or anything.
The day you get your license back, do a skid, lose it again.
So stupid. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I can drive again. Everything feels all right. We got to make next video with my car. We got to make an exhaust because it sounds pretty shit right now. The whole car's vibrating. But yeah, dude, I'm pretty fired up. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. We're gonna go stand in this hail and get concussed. Ah, moonroof.
Comment down below.
Comment down below. Comment if you think it's okay to honk at us when we're standing in our own studio.
Like, we're actually putting in work here.
Yeah, like, if I'm in this lane, walking, and you're driving, and you honk at me, it's my studio. It's not your road, it's my studio. So, like, fuck off. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Should people be able to honk at us? I don't think so. Adam doesn't think so. Especially when we have the sign that says recording in process. People need to learn to fuck off, mind their own business, get a job. But yeah. I don't know what else to say, man. Fired up. Hopefully this thing doesn't blow up. Apparently it has built bottom end. So we might turn it up to 30 pounds and see what happens. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Skidoo. Wee, gotta put my cube in, wee.
The boys will try to hit 10 million K up on that YouTube. Best kind.